When both partners have anxiety, it doesn't just double the stress, it multiplies it. You say something small, they take it the wrong way. Now your anxiety kicks in, and suddenly you're both reacting not to each other, but to fear. That's how distance starts. Not from lack of love, but from misunderstanding. But here's what changes everything. Anxiety has a language. I'm not good enough often means I'm scared of losing you. When you learn to hear that, you stop fighting each other and start understanding each other. You're not the problem. The anxiety is. I break this down in a full post. Link in bio, description, or comments.